Want to get Roblox user ID on mobile but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to get Roblox user ID on mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Chrome or any other browser that you use. Then click on the search bar and type Roblox. After that, click on the first link. You will be guided to this page after clicking on the link. At the bottom of your screen, you can see the Continue in Browser option. Click on it. Here, you need to log into your Roblox account, so enter your username and password. Next, click on your username. Then tap on the search bar. In this link, the highlighted number is a username. To copy it, tap and hold on it. Now tap on the copy button. And that's how you can get Roblox user ID on mobile. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.